Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus oil filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have a new oil filter and the correct amount of fresh engine oil for your specific Lexus model. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and quicker. Safety first, so wear gloves and eye protection. Now let's get to draining the old oil. Safely lift your vehicle using jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the used oil to completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. With the oil drained, it's time to tackle the filter. The oil filter housing is typically a black plastic or metal canister. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to carefully loosen the housing. Once loose, slowly unscrew it by hand. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Remove the old filter element and the two O-rings from the housing. Before installing the new filter, lubricate the new O-rings with fresh oil and place them correctly. Insert the new filter element into the housing. Hand tighten the housing, then use your wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, often around 18 foot-pounds. Replace the drain plug, add new oil, and check for leaks. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.